Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today I'm really happy to show you our collection of Apex Disc Sanders. Great machines, probably the best machines in the market. If you have one for sale, I'm buying, give me a call. These machines are so great for one reason. When you turn it off, it will spin for so long. It is so well balanced that a lot of people turn it off and they still keep using the machine for a while, because you'll see it really is a well balanced and well made machine. We don't have these machines balanced on the floor or anything. They're just sitting here. We've got everything set up for testing, but you could just see it's going to be a really nice machine. Now these are 16-inch machines, and then this is the 20-inch version. So all very similar, just gonna have a bigger disc, bigger motor. These do have some different motors on them depending on which ones they are. Over the years, people have replaced them. You got your table here, angle, all your dust will come out the bottom. You could set up a dust collector there, but just about every shop's gonna need one of these. It always lets you just grind down anything you need really quickly, really simple, and get the job done. So we'll go ahead and run it and just show you how it basically works. And then after that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set a timer, and we'll show you a little quick time elapsed of how long it takes to actually stop spinning after we turn it off. So that'll be kind of neat to see what happens. Right now, we're gonna start off with this particular machine. This is A7274, our stock number, Apex 16-inch disc sander. You got your on switch right there. Basically, you're just gonna hold your material. This had some burrs on it. Now you can see how nice and clean it is. It works really quickly. Nice and clean. Now if you want accurate, you're obviously going to use different machines, but if you had to just clean that off and chamfer it off so you can go ahead and use it, weld it, do whatever you have to do, that's exactly what these machines are going to be best for. So we have a lot in stock. We have a few different imports in stock, new as well as used, depending on what you're looking for. Got that one going the opposite way. We turn it on, goes both ways. Here's A7274. Very simple, similar. Now you're going to change your disc sanders out depending on your thickness, just like if you were sanding a piece of wood. It's all going to make a difference. Great machines, great running machines. Stick around, you can see how long it takes once we turn this off to actually stop running, but you'll see how well balanced they are and how nice they are. If you have an Apex for sale, or if you're looking to buy one, please give us a call here at 626-444-0311. You check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.